as we know that it affects a lot of people, it makes a lot of people out of work. So the latest study said that 6 million Thais rendered jobless by COVID-19 pandemic. It's about 6 million, not exact, it's about 6 million since COVID-19 pandemic struck Thailand early last year. And 1.3 million university and college graduates are unlikely to find jobs or have opportunities to develop their capabilities. That is very alarming. So according to Mrs. Kempet Senapan of the Thai Health Promotion Foundation, citing a survey of people affected by the COVID-19 pandemic conducted by the National Statistical Office in cooperation with Thailand Development Research Institute, or TDI, and the UN Children's Fund. She said that Thai people in aged 15 to 24, especially those in their last year at the university, are likely to be unemployed after graduation because most private companies have halted or slowed recruitment. And she said that most Thai workers do not have saving plans and hence do not have a nest egg to rely upon if they are laid off. So the most workers are not capable of adjusting to alternative jobs once they are laid off. So that is a big issue. If you have been following some of our scoop last week, no, actually this week, we interview one of the, actually last week, we interview one of the company, the big recruitment company. Is they actually big in the world? They're also big in Thailand. They mostly recruit a high-ranking employment, but they also did a research on the job trending in Thailand and many other countries in ASEAN, in Asia as well. And they said that a lot of companies slow down on hiring new one, or if they're hiring new one, they will be very cautious about just give a big salary to just one position. So there's a lot of things to be looked at this year. And but she said that even though you're a new graduate, you have advantage if you are very good at technologies or any skills that relate to tech. There's still a lot of demand in the market, in the jobs market, but there's not enough people that are able to do the job.
And unfortunately, because of the COVID-19 situation, sadly, there will be tons of new graduates who will not be employed this year. And compared to other situations, even like few years back without COVID-19, new graduates already have difficulties finding new jobs anyway. And especially with the pandemic, it will be a lot harder for them, but there is still a way if they embrace with the new skill sets that are related to technology, knowing different programs and all these things, because these kind of people are in high demand at the moment, because like when we do things, everything requires technology and it has been part of our lives these days.
And this year, new graduate has to compete with the people that has been unemployed since last year. So the competition is pretty fierce, I would say.